Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Burger, healthy and delicious. Sometimes, even though it's not a cheat day, you can always have something that could be considered a cheat meal. And tonight we're having my ultimate favorite dish, burgers. I found this really cool big bun. And so what we're gonna do is make like one big burger for the whole family and then just cut it into smaller. First thing we're gonna do is toast our bun so it's ready for us when we need it. This thing's really big. I'm gonna cut a little bit of it out because I don't want it to be that big. Try to cut it as straight as possible. Okay, that's gonna be one piece. And then we're gonna cut a little more out. So now we got a nice, smaller looking bun. A little butter flavored spray. And we'll start off with this top piece. Push it down just a little bit. You don't want to go too hard. In the meantime, while this is going, we're gonna slice our tomato. I got some onions already sliced and a little bit of lettuce as well. Okay, let's see how our bun's doing. Nice, got a little bit of color. We'll do the other one now. And when I like burgers, what I like to do is just toast the inside, and the outside we won't even toast. It's got a nice, good structure to it, not too crunchy. Okay, and we want to keep this healthy, so I got really lean beef that we're gonna use. You want to take a look? Not a lot of fats. The calories down below. We're not gonna use any mayonnaise sauces or anything like this. Unfortunately, no bacon, no cheese. But otherwise, it's still gonna be a delicious burger. So what we're gonna do, you got a half a kilo here. So and we're gonna use our plate as a reference point for our patty. Flip it over, see what it looks like on this side. Make sure it doesn't look like a UFO. Kind of looks like a UFO. So what we'll do now is we'll finish it off on our cutting board. And when I make patties, I like to push one hand in and then one hand out. So we're making kind of a wall. You almost want like a well in the middle. Fix up our edges a little bit. It's good. All right, now we want a really nice crust on our meat. So we're gonna wait till this is hot and smoky. A little bit of smoke coming up now, so I think we're almost ready. If you wanna come back this way for a second, what we're gonna do is gonna lift it slowly by our fingers from each side. Okay, trying to keep our shape as much as possible. I'm gonna do one of these, put it on my hand, slowly take it off, and we got our shape. Now, and then we're just gonna drop it on. Beautiful. All right, now it's time to season it. I like to keep it classical with my burgers. I don't put anything in the meat, just straight beef. Some salt, go very generous on the salt, and a little bit of pepper. Like I've said before in other videos, you guys gotta be careful when you're cooking, not to play around too much with whatever's on your pan. We cooked our fish, we didn't shake it too much, we didn't move it too much. Same with the burger. We're only gonna flip this one time and that's it. So we gotta make sure it's got a nice crust on it. Not doing anything, just letting it cook. You can smell a little bit that it's starting to burn a little bit. That means that your pan is too dry. So then you might have to add a little bit of oil. Especially like our beef, which is very lean. If you wanna cook it a little bit quicker, we'll put a lid on it. In the meantime, what I'm doing is preparing a little bit of this healthy garlic sauce for us. Okay, so we got our garlic press. We're gonna just push through a couple of cloves of garlic. See, now that it was covered, the top was cooking a little bit as well. You can cover it back up. So now, if you look in this garlic press, you got all this garlic that we're not really gonna use. So what I'm gonna do is, when I flip the meat, I'm gonna throw this on top, and it's gonna give a little bit of garlic flavor to our burger as well. Now we're gonna finish our sauce. We got a little bit of our yogurt here. Now we need to do our seasoning, a little bit of salt, some pepper, some cumin, paprika. Make this a nice orange color, and a little bit of barbecue sauce. Okay, let's check our burger. All right, you can see our garlic's in here. I'm just gonna move that to the side, and let's see what it looks like on the other side. Woo! Again, now we season the other side. A little bit of salt, don't be shy. Some pepper. Now, obviously, if you wanted to do a little bit more freestyle, a little bit unhealthy, some cheese and bacon would be nice. If you had some bacon done previously, you can put that on there. And then you had some cheese, throw a little bit of cheese, put your lid on, and it'll melt perfectly for you. So let's start assembling our burger slowly. Finish our sauce off. Look at this. It's got a nice orange color, which is cool. A little bit of sauce on the bottom. And each burger you can do your own way, do it differently. I change it up pretty much every time different. That's the cool thing about burgers. It's a sandwich that you can do many different ways. And now we're gonna put a little bit of onion, raw white onion. We want our burger maybe a little bit medium, so let's see how it's looking. I think it's about there. We're gonna take it off and then slide on our burger. Okay, let's finish the bad boy off. Potatoes. You hungry, son? What's next? What is this, tomatoes?
Yes.
Okay, what's next? Lettuce?
Yes.
Sounds good. Okay, let's do some lettuce. Do you like burgers?
Yes.
And then we got some more sauce on top.
Only for you.
No, we're gonna share the burger. I'm gonna cut it. All right, that's our burger done. I'm excited, I don't know about you. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Well, medium well, not too bad, not too bad. Let's give the bad boy a try. Burger, healthy and delicious. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a like and a subscribe. We'll see you next time.